We're at Stackhouse Park here in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. We have little waterfalls, as you can see. Such a beautiful trail park here in the heart of Flood City, Johnstown, Pennsylvania. And thought we'd stop by and check it out and take you along with us. Let's go. Trails all over this place. I believe that's one of them back there. I believe there's another one up that way. Here's even a map over here, Stackhouse Park. We're going to check out. It tells you the trails and stuff like that. So let's check it out. There's different multiple entrances to this park. Give you like a brief where all the streams are. Vehicle and bicycle passes. That there too. Parking lots, bridges, the whole shebang. It tells you the mileage and everything on the bottom down there. We're in Brownstown. Like Dane found a blue jay. Oh, there he is. Oh my God, look at it. That's amazing. I can zoom in on him right now. That's cool. He's right there in that branch up there. Wow. If you guys love this adventure as much as we loved coming here and exploring this beautiful, this naturist walking trail, there's so much more to this park that will be continued on another day, another beautiful vlog. Until then, hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more adventures. Until next time, have a beautiful day.